In C and C++, what does round function do? So round function will take you to the nearest integral value. For example, you have 2.3. So we are not interested in the decimal value, we want an integral value. So either 2.3 can be converted to 2 or it can be converted to 3. So here comes the round function. So what it will do, it will compute the middle value. 2 and 3 middle value is 2.5. Now if the value is 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, any value 2.0 till 2.4, the value will be taken as 2. If the value is 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3, then the round function will give the value as 3. So there is a mid mark, that is 2.5. From 2.0 till 2.4, it will be 2. From 2.5 till 3.0, it will be the higher value, that is 3. So this function will take value and whatever parameter you are giving, the result will be the same parameter. This is a round function. There are other functions also like L round and LL round. I'll just talk about that. So this is a C++ code. You can always convert it into the C code. And from the last two functions, L round and LL round are in C++ 11. C++ 11. And the first code, which is the 3 line you see here, round. It's in normal C++, and you can run it in C also, C program. So let us take an example here, 13.3. Now 13.3 is coming between 14 and 13 and 14, higher and lower integral value. Okay, so 13.5, 13.6, 13.7, 13.8, 13.9 and 14. Whatever value comes, it will take 14. And 13.0, 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, 13.4, if a value comes, it will be 13. So 13.3 is coming in between 13.0 and 13.4. So the rounding off value will be what? It will be 13. 13 it will be returning. Okay. Now there are 12.5 if it comes, as I said, 12.5 till 13.0, it will give 13 only. 14.8, again 14.8. What is the mid of 14 and 15? It is 14.5. Where this 14.8 lies, 14.5 and 15, so it will be 15. L round and LL round are almost similar to the round function. Only whatever input you give, whatever is the parameter, the output, the return type will always be long integer for L round. The return type will be L round, and LL round, the output will be, or the return type will be long. So L round, long int, and long int for LL round. Other things remains the same, because sometimes we need to deal with bigger decimal numbers and we need to have that result also. So this round function, whenever we use, there are other related functions also, like floor, seal, truncate. All they have say similar kind of usage. So 3.8, let us take an example of 3.8. The above is 4 and the below is 3. So what is the floor? See, if you are standing on a floor and ceiling is above you. So floor will give you the lower value, 3. Floor will give you 3. Say we are taking example 3.8. So floor will be 3. What is the ceiling? The above one, that is the 4. Ceiling will take the above number. Truncation will simply make this decimal part vanish. So you will get 3.8, you will get result as 3. And what about round? What is the mid value between 4 and 3? It's 3.5. So what is the value? 3.8 is coming between 3.5 and 4, so you will get 4. Okay, let us take a negative value also, minus 2.3. See, 3.5 when it comes, one more thing, 3.5 will comes, it will be taking the higher number, 4. From 3.5 Till 4 it will take 4 only. Till 3.0 and 3.4 it will take the lower value. Now I am taking a negative number. Now if you see in the number line, the negative number, the value will change, because for minus 2.3 the lower value, or you can say the lower value is minus 3 and higher value is minus 2. So minus 2.3 is here. What is the floor? It's minus 3. Floor is minus 2. When you truncate it, it's simply to minus 2.0, vanishing the decimal part. Now coming to the round. So minus 2.3 is coming between minus 2 and minus 2.5. Minus 2 and minus 2.5. To be exact, it's between minus 2.0 and minus 2.5, because from minus 2.5 till minus 3, it will be a higher number. So because minus 2.3 is between minus 2.0 and minus 2.4, the lower value will be taken. So it will be minus 2. Minus 2 will be the result. So this is how this function will work. Okay. This is about round. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.